To create irregular shaped stairs in Revit, the best way is to draw the stairs using 2D red lines. This gives you the time to fully understand your stairs before modeling. Then, pick the Stairs tool in the Architecture tab. Click on this icon to create a sketch. Let's start with the green boundary lines. Select the Pick Lines Draw option. Click on all the boundaries, but don't include the end risers. Now, click on Riser. Select Pick Lines again. Click on each individual riser. Finally, select the stair path. Draw this line in the middle of the stairs. In this case, we use a curved line to mimic the shape of the stairs. When ready, click on the green check to complete. Click the green check again. You can see the result. In some cases, the stringer might have a bizarre shape. Sometimes this kind of irregular stairs works better with a monolithic type. If you have enjoyed this video, you will love our Basics course for Revit. This includes everything you need to complete your first architecture project in Revit. All lessons are bite-sized and go straight to the point. The course includes a series of video tutorials, an ebook PDF, and a modeling challenge to test your skills. Subscribe now at bimpure.com.